We've issued an ABC 17 storm track weather alert day in effect Friday morning until Saturday morning due to extreme cold moving back into the region. But before that, going to be seeing the chance for some more snowfall into the overnight hours. Taking a look at the ABC 17 storm track feature track, mostly sunny sky conditions. That is until we head a little bit later into the afternoon and early evening hours. Then we'll start to see an increase in cloud cover and eventually some snow back into northwestern portions of mid-Missouri, getting close to Sheridan and Macon counties. Continues to drift off to the southeast, so getting closer to about 7 to 8 p.m., going to be knocking on the door just to the west of Boone County. This is when we start to see some lighter accumulations. Most of the heavier bands going to be kind of back off to the northeast towards Macon. Continues to drift off, still becoming more widespread as we head a little bit closer to 9 p.m. This time, going to be seeing the snowfall in Columbia and Jefferson City as it continues to push east, though. Starts to clear out a little bit after 11 p.m., closer to midnight. Then looking at mostly sunny skies as we head off into Friday morning. But going to be feeling a lot cooler as winds, after the cold front passes through, switching out of the northwest. Now, here's what we're going to be looking like for snowfall accumulation amounts. So, Highway 70 and back off to the south, looking at a trace possible in areas along Columbia and off to the northeast, looking at trace to 1 inches. Now, if you're knowing anybody that's a little bit further off to the northeast in mid-Missouri, you could see a tad bit more, up to 2 inches possible. That's pretty much those darker blues you're going to be seeing in through portions of the region. Now, taking a look at the future track road impacts for tonight and early morning Friday. Going to be low to medium, so we're still seeing accumulating snowfall, and temperatures for the surface going to be definitely cold enough to see this start to stick, but really not going to see too much of that start happening until after 6 p.m. as temperatures going to continue to rise back to the mid to upper 30s today. Then the extreme cold settles back in, so just hold on tight, make it through this period of time. Warmer temperatures going to be on the backside of the system Sunday into early portions of next week. Feels like temperatures as we head off into Friday and Saturday going to be getting back down into the negative teens, some areas into the negative 20s. Then we start a slow warming trend into Sunday afternoon as winds switching back from the southwest once again, eventually going to be leading to the chance for some rainfall across much of mid-Missouri. That's going to be staying with us throughout much of next week as those temperatures continue to climb. So we go from negative 2 degrees for the overnight low Friday night to Saturday, and all the way warming back up to the mid-40s as we head off into midweek next week. Now, on that note, we could see a little bit of some icy trends on the early morning hours of Monday because temperatures at that time going to be below freezing, but thankfully temperatures quickly warm up and it'll switch back over to rain, melting anything on the roadways, and it'll stay that way as we head off into the second half of next week.